Let's walk through adding team members to your Treehouse account. First, from the dashboard, you're going to navigate to the Staff tab, click on the Add Staff button, which will then open up a new tab called your Business Manager. From your Business Manager, you're going to scroll down to the Staff tab. To add in your staff members, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on this Register Staff button. You're going to type out your staff's email and then go ahead and click on the Enter button. This will then drop down the email where you can click on Invite once that email is highlighted in blue. After you click on it, it will show that the invite has been sent. Once you have invited that team member, you can go ahead and you can see the pending invites. This shows that this team member has been invited and that their status for the invite expires in 7 days. Once that status is expired, you are able to go ahead and resend that pending invite if they do not accept the request in time. You can also go ahead and delete an invite if you have added the wrong email or you no longer need to add that staff member to your Treehouse Clinics account. In your staff list, you are able to manage all of your staff members' profiles on the Treehouse Hub. So this means that all of your team members have a viewable profile under your clinic in our Treehouse Hub, allowing clients or potential clients to find and connect with them. As a super user or admin, you are able to go in and edit these profiles for your staff members. Additionally, if you go back into the other tab for your essentials, you can go ahead and you can edit your staff roles. For example, if you click on Edwina and we edit to that provider, you can actually go ahead and select the provider role, whether that be an admin or a super user. You can also edit their occupation, their name, or contact information for this provider. To learn more about actively adding your team to Treehouse, you can contact one of our support representatives.